Hi everyone, it's Sandy. I'm going to announce the winner for my small giveaway that I shared with you in my last video. I just want to thank every one of you that participated in joining in. I read all of your lovely comments and it really meant a lot to me to know that all of you love my channel and you come and watch my videos, so it really does mean a lot, and this is the reason why I like doing these little giveaways, to show my gratitude and appreciation to my subscribers that come here and watch my videos. So this is my way to say thank you. So this is the prize which is inside. It's the a tag style loaded pocket. For those that missed out on seeing the project, I'll put the link down below to the video for you, because there's also a tutorial. And I did forget to mention that you'll also receive the vellum pocket with the prize as well, so I forgot to mention that. And I've also added a little small pack of paper flowers to the winner when I announce very shortly, so you'll also receive this. But for those that missed out in this giveaway entry and missing out on winning the prize, I am going to be doing another bigger fun giveaway for my subscribers, so please come back and have another chance at winning another prize. I'm hoping to do that video at the end of the week, hopefully on Sunday or somewhere around that time, because September is the month of my birthday and I want to celebrate with you guys by saying thank you again, a big thank you. And I'm going to be doing a really large giveaway for the month of my birthday, so come back or subscribe if you want to not miss out on the giveaway as well. But I'm going to announce the winner for this prize here. So again, thank you everybody for joining in. The winner is Susie Emery. Congratulations, Susie, for winning this small giveaway prize. I do hope you enjoy what you receive. If you can direct message me on Instagram if you are on Instagram, or if you would like to email me your details, my email is down below for you, and then I can have this sent out to you. It will take a few weeks to get to you because of the slow shipping at the moment around the world, but it will arrive to you safely. So again, thank you everybody for participating, and again, I will be doing another giveaway very shortly. Thank you. Bye for now.